Is to show how to take the hard drive out of a Dell Precision T3400. As you can see, the unit is completely powered off and with the power plug removed. At the top of the Dell, you have the service tag. If you go to the back, there's a lever. Push the lever out, and this door here will pop off. Open up the door. As you can see, there's many components in here. If you look right here, this is the hard drive. In order to remove it, you remove the power cable and the data cable. You just pull off. You squeeze the two blue tabs on opposite sides of the hard drive, and it should slide out. Might take some work, but it slides out. Okay. This is the hard drive that's currently installed in the unit. You can ship it with the caddy, this blue thing that's around it, or you can remove it from the caddy and ship it back. You remove the caddy by flexing it and getting these silver tabs out of the holes of the hard drive. So you remove the hard drive. Make sure that it's bubble wrapped, and preferably put in an anti-static bag and then bubble wrapped, and send it to the company. My intention to reinsert this caddy. You put it down with the crossbar facing up and slide it back in with the tabs facing out. To put the cover back on, all you do, make sure all the cables out of the way. These grooves here, here, and here line up with these tabs here, here, and here. So you put it in at an angle. As you can see, lean it forward. Again, you got to make sure the cable's out of the way. Lean it forward until it's completely closed. And that pretty much ends the video on how to remove a hard drive on a T3400.